JNTU Kakinada R23 regulation, first BTech first semester, second mid and online quiz examinations December 2024. 16/12/2024 Monday. Communicative English common to EEE, CSE, Chemical, EEE, PET and PHE. Engineering Physics common to Civil, Mechanical, EC, IT, AME, Mining, Robotics, Agri, ECE, Allied and CSE Allied branches. 17/12/2024 Tuesday. Linear Algebra and Calculus common to all branches. 18/12/2024 Wednesday. Basic Civil and Mechanical Engineering common to EEE, CSE, Chemical, FE, PET and PAE. Basics Electrical and Electronics Engineering common to Civil, Mechanical, EC, IT, AME, Mining, Robotics, Agri, EC Allied and CSE Allied branches. 19/12/2024 Thursday. Introduction to Programming common to all branches. 20/12/2024 Friday. Engineering Chemistry common to Chemical, PET, Chemistry common to EEE, CSE, Fundamental Chemistry common to FE, PHE, Engineering Graphics common to Civil, Mechanical, EC, IT, AME, Mining, Robotics, Agri, CSE Allied and EC Allied branches. Time 10 to 12 noon. Thank you.